Namaste and welcome to the channel. Firstly, I would like to thank all my subscribers for their consistent support and patience. Today is a very important day. One of our subscribers, Sujata, who is also a teacher, has been in a discussion with me regarding why this channel. I have invited Sujata to share my mission and vision with all of you. I hope that she will do justice and explain things very, very clearly to you. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sujata. I thank Roma ma'am for giving me an opportunity to explain her mission, vision, and what she wants to achieve using her YouTube channel and website. Firstly, I would like to let you know that Roma ma'am has opened up the channel for all of us. We can now make a video on any topic like cooking, beauty tips, whatever we are good at, and share it with her by mail. The mail ID is info@romamam.com. In this pandemic, we were forced to stay indoors. Children suffered by not being able to go to school. Some schools improvised and took to online teaching. Again, the children suffered as they found it tough to adjust to this new learning system. They did not have a choice but to learn on Zoom, WhatsApp, etc. Many people saw this as a roadblock to the education sector, with the entire education system getting paralyzed. Roma ma'am sees this as an opportunity to create learning in a completely different space. She is in the process of creating an online platform called Roma ma'am. This platform benefits the parents, the teachers, and of course, the students. I will leave you with a small video animation to explain this.
Mohan and Meghna are best friends.
Hey Meghna, how are you? Nice to see you after long time.
Hey Mohan, I am fine. How are you?
I am fine Meghna, let's have a coffee.
Okay Mohan, let's have a coffee.
Welcome to the cafe, sir.
Yeah, 2 coffees, please.
Okay, sir.
You know Mohan, this cafe is famous for coffee.
Yeah, I heard about this cafe, it is popular in this area.
Yeah, service is also very fast.
We are very glad to introduce Roma ma'am, her channel and her website. Mission: to touch the lives of 10 lakh teachers. Vision: to exhibit people's talent and skills.
Hey Meghna, did you see that ad?
Yes Mohan, yesterday, I was talking to Roma ma'am and she was telling me what her mission and vision was.
Mission: to touch the lives of 10 lakh teachers.
Yes Mohan, you are right.
Yes Meghna, I have heard about it. Is it only for teachers?
No, even parents can be a part of it. They can develop small courses on any skills that they wish to share with people and host them on the Roma ma'am website. Roma ma'am's courses focus mainly on students and those who want to improve their English language skills. She will be hosting a variety of courses to choose from.
But tell me something Meghna. Is this platform going to help everybody?
What Roma ma'am is doing is that she is giving an opportunity to everybody to showcase their skills on her channel. For example, if somebody is good at cooking and they have a signature dish to share, they can make a video and send it to her. She will introduce that person on the channel and let the video run on the channel. There could be someone who is a beautician. She may do a video on how to do a facial at home. That could also be put up on the channel. This channel is not only for Roma ma'am but also for those who are looking for a platform to exhibit their talent and skills. So whatever you are good at, make a video and share it with ma'am. She will run it and she will introduce you to everybody. Slowly, as and when you do more and more videos, you can start your own channel and announce it in Ma'am's channel. So Roma Ma'am's mission is to help everybody, including students. Parents and teachers can showcase their skills. Students can showcase their talents like singing, dancing. She is building a website where she will allow all her subscribers to put up courses.
Are there any charges for hosting one's courses on her website?
There will be no hosting charges or any other hidden charges. There will be a small revenue sharing on sales which would cover the cost of hosting, marketing and such expenses. In fact, Roma Ma'am has her own courses on the website and the rules are the same for her also. In short, this is a shared community of parents, teachers and students.
How much experience does Roma Ma'am have in the teaching industry?
Roma Ma'am has been in the teaching industry for more than 35 years and she wants to help everybody, whether you are a student, parent or a teacher.
It is really amazing, but how would it be useful to students, parents and teachers?
She will help students by creating online courses for English. She would help parents by giving them a platform to work from home and earn money and also learn English. She would give a platform to teachers for creating their own courses and hosting them on her website which can be taken up by students. So a math teacher can create her own course, an IIT, JEE instructor or an MBA professor can make their courses available to students. In fact, courses can be either academic in nature or non-academic. Through her website and this channel, Roma Ma'am will help you on how to create your own online courses.
Wow, that sounds really good. I think we should immediately share this with all our friends and relatives so that they can also have an opportunity to work from home and earn money. Especially during in the current situation, jobs are becoming such a big problem. So, people can sit at home, create small courses and then host them and be assured that their courses would be taken up by so many learners they can have a passive income.
Okay Mohan, we have to leave now, it is getting late.
Yes Meghna, let's leave.
It is a wonderful opportunity that Roma Ma'am is creating for everybody.
It was nice talking to you Meghna and thank you for giving information about Roma Ma'am's platform.
Welcome Mohan.
Okay Meghna, bye.
Bye.
The pandemic has created a block in the flow of knowledge and income. If you wish to help Roma Ma'am revive that, please share this video with all your acquaintances, friends, and relatives. You never know who is going to bless you for sharing this wonderful opportunity with them.
Thank you very much for watching this video. I would like to thank Sujata for agreeing to lend her voice and talk to all of you virtually. I am sure all of you are going to share this video with as many people as possible so that all of us can come together and create simple, short courses which are going to help all of us to learn and progress in our lives. I'm sure this is going to help us in generating a passive income. To explain what a passive income is, well, it keeps working even while you are asleep. So all of you who are interested in making short videos or short courses, please do contact me on the given details. The mobile number and my email ID are already on the screen for you to make a note of. I look forward to a long-term association with all of you. Thank you very much. Teaching online is not at all a puzzle if you are a part of the Roma Ma'am community.